Okay, so now you see if x1 and x2 is 0 and 1, either it is 0 on 1 or 0 1 0. The output, the target value is 0 and 0. So in all these three cases, 1 0, 0 1, 1 1, it is 0 value, and in single case, that is 1 and 1, it is 1. So whatever we have calculated after applying this Beck-Kuluk-Pitts neuron mathematical formula, we are also getting the same value, that is, if it is 1 1, if x1 and x2 is 1 1, then output is 1 or not. And if we are giving the value x1 is 1 and x2 is 0, then what output we are getting? We are getting y as 0. If we are applying 0 and 1, we are getting value y as 0. 0 0 we are giving, then also we are getting y as 0. And in each case, w is what? W1 and W2 is 1 1. W1 and W2. In this 1 1, in this 1 1, in this 1 1, and in this 1 1. So we can say that this output and targeted output of AND gate is matching. So we can say that this Beck-Kuluk-Pitts neuron, this acts as a AND gate. AND gate, we have solved the function of AND gate using Beck-Kuluk-Pitts neuron. है ना? It's clear or not? So in this case, we can see the algorithm, how algorithm works. Example तो तुमने देख लिया है ना? Example तुमको clear हो गया कि अगर हम लोग AND गेट का सॉल्यूशन अगर हम लोग फाइंड आउट करें Beck-Kuluk-Pitts न्यूरॉन से, तो एग्जैक्टली ये मैच करता है. उसी तरह हम लोग और गेट निकाल सकते हैं, उसी तरह हम लोग एंड और निकाल सकते हैं, उसी तरह हम लोग एक्स और निकाल सकते हैं. कोई भी गेट हम लोग इससे ऑपरेट करा सकते हैं. क्यों गेट ऑपरेट कर? क्योंकि देयर इज ओनली 2 इनपुट्स, है ना? 2 इनपुट्स है, तो ये प्रॉपर आउटपुट मीन्स जो 2 इनपुट्स पे जो ऑपरेट होगा, ये हमारा प्रॉपर आउटपुट दे रहा है. ठीक है, वो भी हम लोग देखेंगे कि नेक्स्ट दूसरा गेट कैसे ऑपरेट होगा. सो अभी इस पे एल्गोरिदम कैसे वर्क कर रहा है, इसको जरा देख लो. सो एल्गोरिदम क्या कहता है? एल्गोरिदम, सी द फर्स्ट एल्गोरिदम हियर, फर्स्ट स्टेप हमने क्या किया था? इनिशियलाइज ऑल वेट्स, है ना? तो वी हैव इनिशियलाइज्ड, हमने वेट का वैल्यू पुट कर दिया था ना, 1 1 1 1. अब क्या कर रहा है? रिपीट द स्टेप 2 टू 6. जब तक कि ये y मैच नहीं हो रहा है, तब तक की रिपीट करो स्टेप 2 से स्टेप 6. स्टेप 2 क्या है? कैलकुलेट y इनपुट और xi wi. हम लोगों ने निकाला ये, है ना? y इनपुट निकाला x1 w1 प्लस x2 w2. We put the value of x1 w1, x2 w2, and we calculated the value of y input. ठीक है? After getting the y output of y input, we applied activation function on that. This activation, that is the step 3. Apply activation function and compare with the threshold value and calculate the Y output that we have calculated. If we got Y depends upon the value of Y input. If we got the Y input as 2, then the activation function of Y input, Y we got 1. See here, this is 1. And if the Y input was 1, means the value was less than 2, then in that case we got 0, 0 and 0. So this value, this Y output we got after the activation function. So and in this activation function it was matching same as the output of AND gate, or we can say the target value of given set of inputs. So step 4 is compare Y with target value. We have compared and we got exactly it is matching. Then step 5, if Y matches with the target value, go to the next step. Means for each value here it was matching. So for the we repeated the same step for the next set. This is the one set, this is the second set, this is the third set, and this is the fourth set. So we have repeated, we have done for all the sets of inputs and we got the same output as the given output or the target value of AND gate. And it is proved that AND gate properly works on this McCulloch-Pitts neuron. ठीक है, एल्गोरिदम क्लियर हुआ? नाउ नेक्स्ट, हाँ नेक्स्ट, सभी लोग तुम लोग एक एक अपना अपना कॉपी एक एक कॉपी ले लो, ठीक है? कॉपी और पेन में ये प्रैक्टिस करो. Generate OR function using McCulloch-Pitts neuron model. This is the question. Generate OR, जैसे हमने AND gate किया उसी तरह OR gate है. OR gate function using McCulloch-Pitts neuron model. The threshold value, here the threshold value is given. The threshold value is 3. Threshold value is 3. So, and this is the truth table. Truth table is x1, x2 and y. x1 is 1, 1. Then y is, it is given. It is targeted value, predicted value. है ना? This is 1, 0, then it is 1. 0, 1, then it is 1. 0, 0, then we'll get 0. And what about the threshold value? This is the weight. This weight is for x1 and this weight is for x2. So this is the W1 and this is the W2. Clear? है ना? And here we will get y, that is after activation. So now see, if x1 is 1, in first case, if x1 is 1 and x2 is 1. So find out the y input, x1, w1, x2, w2. x1 is 1, x1 is 1 and x3 is, sorry, w1 is, weight is 3. So this 3. x2 is 1 and weight is w2 is 3. So 3 plus 3 and it is now 6, which is, and threshold value is 3. So we got the value 6 and which is greater than 3, that is the theta value. So what it will return? It will return value 1, which matches, this matches with the value of this output. Is it clear? Now you see the second case. Second case is what, when x1 is 1 and x2 is 0. Then what output should come? Output should come 1 because it is OR gate. So OR gate, if any of the 1 is 0, then it will return the value 1. So see here, if x1 is 1 and x2 is 0. So x1 w1, x2 w2, it is x1, the value of x1 is 1 and value of w1 is 3. The value of x2 is 0 and w2 is 3. So how much we got? We got 3, which is equal to, not greater but equal to threshold value. Threshold value is 3. So it is equal to threshold value. So which is greater than equal to threshold value, that is 3. So y is equal to function of y input. What it will return? It will return 1. So in second case also we got 1. Now see the third case. Sorry. Now you go see the third case. Third case is when x1 is 0, when x1 is 0 and x2 is 1, what happens? x1 w1, x2 w2. x1 is 0 and w1 is 3. x2 is 1 and w2 is 3. So how much we got? We got 3. Again, this is the equal to threshold value, that is equal to 3. So what we will get? We will get the value y as 1. So this case also matches. Now see this case, if x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. So x1 w1, x2 w2. 0 into 3 plus 0 into 3. So we got 0, which is less than equal to this threshold value. Threshold value is 3. So we got less. So what it will return? It will return 0 here. So now see what happens? Now match the output. If x1, x2 and y. In OR gate what happens? If it is 1, 1, what is the output? 1. If it is 1, 0, it is 1. If it is 0, 1, 1. And if it is 0, 0, then 0. So here also this is the actual and this is the we got predicted one, means after the calculation. After the calculation also we got 1. In first case we got 1, second case we got 1, third case we got 1 and in fourth case we got 0. So it matches exactly same as given output. So it also working properly in OR gate. McCulloch-Pitts neuron. And you have understood the algorithm also. Now take the third example, that is this generate the XOR function using McCulloch-Pitts neuron. The threshold value is 1. And this question you have to solve by yourself. Now x1, x2, this is the truth table given. Truth table given. In this little trick is there, that is, this is the XOR gate. XOR gate means x plus x1 x2 plus x2 bar x1 y is equal to, यही होता है ना, y is equal to, हाँ ठीक है। सो ये होता है कि नहीं XOR गेट में। हाँ, तो अब इसको क्या करो तुम, सॉल्व करो, है ना। इसको सॉल्व करना तुम लोग